Welcome back to YouTube. It's your boy Singing back with another video. Hey, get y'all some food, man. I'm not gonna cap.
The sauce in it.
We about to. It's a mukbang. We about to.
This one of them smooth sauces.
I ain't gonna cap. We wanted burrito tacos. Okay.
I looked up burrito
And they don't even serve them.
And this restaurant showed up.
Shout out to Taqueria Palazaka. I ain't gonna cap. Which one better?
So these tacos,
Oh, so these might be the same.
I think these are the same, but these are the hot sauces.
Yeah.
Because she put those down was like they're very, very spicy.
I figured that.
I want a steak taco because I wanted burrito, so that's like the closest thing I think. So let me see.
What you think the closest thing to it is?
Like a steak taco? I don't know.
Jalapeno pickles. You ever had a jalapeno pickle?
Jalapeno. Oh, does that just mean the jalapenos are pickled?
Okay, look. Steaks and fajitas. Remember I got the fajita last time? And that shit was bullshit.
Not from here, though.
Oh, yeah, it wasn't from here, though. Yeah, but that shit was busting, though. I think I'm going to get fajita again. Because it got the steak with the peppers.
Okay. Does it come with cheese, though? It said it come with onion and
Tender
cilantro.
sliced beef or chicken, blue bells having onion, tomato. With guacamole salad, rice, beans, and tortilla. Steaks.
What, chalupa sounds good.
Specialties. Jalisco cheesesteak. Filled with thin steak, grilled onions, cheese sauce, put it on lettuce, served with your choice of rice or beans. Damn. A Jalisco cheesesteak? I think I might try that. The Jalisco cheesesteak. It's served with a thin, a flour tortilla filled with thin steak, grilled onions, cheese sauce, pico de gallo, lettuce, served with your choice of rice or beans. I want some sour cream too. And one is $8.99, two is $12.99. So I'm gonna ask her if I get one and I like it, I'll get another one for $12.99. I get another one for $12.99 because I don't want to get ringed up for two $8.99s. I ain't gonna say nothing though because I don't want to act like they think we stupid or something. Nah, I ain't gonna try them like that because I feel like I be trying them if I say that. What y'all think, Chad?
Should I get that queso?
Yeah, I should try my boy. Cause they'll charge you twice for one. I mean, they'll charge you twice for two. But they'll charge you once, twice.
Ooh, that sounds good. That quesadilla Mexicana.
I ain't gonna lie, watch this. Now this is supposed to be the hottest sauce in the restaurant.
Boy, that's not for the chips.
Yeah. It's not?
Well, I mean, you could probably use it on there if you wanted to.
I think this for the chips. Watch, this is the hottest one in the thing. Watch this. Watch me go crazy. All right, now I dabbed on the food.
2 little drops.
What if that shit banging? I ain't
trying
to be crying in the motherfucker.
Let's try it again.
It's the hottest shit in the fucking sauce. I mean, in the restaurant, of course I'm gonna.
I eat wasabi, so I ain't got no problem eating something spicy. I did more than you. So we finna see.
I mixed it up. Oh, you trying to be burning alive?
This shit's not hot. It's not that hot.
And chicken with bell pepper and tomato sauce with one salad.
This is what I'm gonna get.
What you about to get? Quesadilla Mexicana.
That can't be the hottest one. This one must be the hottest one because.
If you need to move the camera, put this on it.
Yeah.
I want to try this one more time though. Hold on. Damn, look, I went OD. I went OD on that shit. Look.
It's not that spicy. It's not that.
Look, I'm gonna go a little bit more OD. Okay, you can use it now.
It's got a real peppery like, but it's not.
Now we about to try this one. She said it wasn't that hot. I guess this one gonna be the hottest one in the country, bro. We about to try this one right now. Y'all think she gonna burn her tongue off? I hope she do. Let's try. Let's try.
Oh, you want to
try
order
it.
food?
Ready?
Yep, we ready now.
I think I'm gonna get the quesadilla Mexicana.
Quesadilla mexicana? Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Now check me out. Which one better? The Jalisco cheesesteak or the mixed fajitas? Which one better?
For me like a Jalisco cheesesteak.
You like that? All right, I'm gonna get that. I want some sour cream on the side.
It's only pico de gallo with lettuce and a cheese sauce.
Add
With
it.
grilled onions. No sour cream.
Add it.
You like sour cream?
I like sour cream.
Okay. How many? One or two?
One.
One.
But now, look, if I like it and I order another one, I can get it for $12.99, right?
Two.
But if I like it though, cause I want to try it, and if I don't like it like that, I'm probably gonna get this one.
Oh, this is
I want to see. I always want to see. So just ring me up for the Jalisco.
Can I add guacamole?
small guacamole.
Is this hot?
That's okay.
You need small guacamole?
Oh.
This is very spicy.
Okay, that's the hotter one, right?
Oh,
I
she
told you.
said this the burn your tongue off. I do
Very
YouTube.
spicy. This is a little bit.
That one. That's cool. That's cool.
It's good. It's not that spicy.
When after you eat it, it still leaves the spicy on the tongue.
Oh.
This one gonna burn your tongue off though.
That's all.
You got to see, man.
Okay, you say one Jalisco cheesesteak, right? With rice or beans?
Oh, rice or beans.
Or you may be like fajita. Fajita is rice, beans, and a side salad.
I got rice and beans.
You need fajita?
Oh, they come with a salad too.
Oh, it do come with a salad.
This is big portion, yes.
And it comes with what? And it comes with rice and beans.
salad.
If you more hungry, I guess get that.
Guacamole, sour cream.
Oh, that one come with the guacamole.
I'm gonna try the Jalisco with sour cream. Right? That's what we're talking about. I'm gonna try that one.
Okay. Fajita Jalisco?
And sour cream on the
You
side.
like tortillas?
Yeah.
No, you want the Jalisco fajita or do you want the?
Oh no, I want this one. Jalisco cheesesteak. Jalisco cheesesteak with sour
With
cream.
rice and beans?
With rice and beans?
Only rice or beans? It's only rice or beans?
You can give me beans.
Beans. Okay.
You can have some of my rice.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah, for now.
Sorry.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's spicy. It got me running. Got me running. I'm sweating now.
That ain't bad. Oh wait. It hit you afterwards.
Why I'm drinking this water so crazy and I'm not drinking that other water right now? I think this water tastes better.
It's got lemon in it.
She could have bought some more chips out.
That shit is hot. It don't hit you till after.
Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, Jessica, it's getting hot.
It's a like a delayed effect.
It's getting hot.
Cause I didn't feel it.
Yo.
Your nose gonna start running.
Bruh.
Bro, I eat.
Well, I blew the straw off the table, y'all.
I be eating sriracha and wasabi, so I like spicy.
Y'all think I should keep going? Y'all want me to keep going?
This is my second one. You don't need all that much though. You don't overdo it. Like don't do the most.
This shit is so hot, bro. I'm still going to get shrimp after this, y'all. I love shrimp and garlic butter. It's really the garlic butter for me. It don't really be the shrimp.
You pussy. That shit not even hot like that. It's
This
spicy,
one?
but it ain't that bad.
No, let me do it.
Man, cause you finna run out.
No, I'm talking about every bite you have to get
All right.
more. No, but see, she pussy. She pussy.
No, I mix it with
Look,
this.
I'm going crazy. Y'all been seeing
Okay,
me?
pour a little more.
Watch when they roll on the video back.
Pour a little more. And I gotta eat it in one bite.
All of it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. She about to get where I'm at.
I felt that shit drop on my titty.
Now she about to get where I'm at. I didn't know it was a TV above us. Oh dang, they got a bar?
Yeah, you didn't see that? I thought that'd be the first thing you would have seen. It's getting hot. You want to sit up there? You just want to go and talk to that lady. That should get hot. I just want to talk to that girl. I didn't even see her.
Tell she.
Speak English. That shit hot. I'm not eating no more. My dick's burning.
Her lips burning now, y'all.
Wow.
But I ordered the Jalisco cheesesteak. I'm going crazy. Going crazy. Don't forget, get the merch. This the merch. I got new colors coming soon. I'm about to do the I'm gonna do the black hoodies. And I'm gonna do the orange.
Oh no, that's not it.
I'm gonna do the orange t-shirts. Oh, I did say the pink.
Oh.
I'm gonna do orange t-shirts, but I'm gonna do pink shorts. So with the logo on them. Nobody's doing that right now. And
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I gotta eat a plain chip to balance that
that
out.
joint would be fire.
You fucked me up with all that sauce.
I'm gonna do pink shorts with the logo, going crazy. Then I'm gonna do the t-shirts. I'm gonna get them in orange, cause I just started that. I wanna get orange
You should do
t-shirts,
pink shorts.
black hoodies, going crazy. And I'm gonna do pink shorts for the man.
Bruh,
And the
that
good,
shit burning my lips.
I told you. Look, I'm gonna do pink shorts for the men and pink shorts for the women. Because
what you
look,
should do.
look, bro, and I feel like that would be hard.
I got an idea. Pink shorts with a black logo and then the black shirt with the pink logo. Like as an outfit.
I ain't gonna lie, should I drop the new logo, y'all? I feel like I'm stepping into phase 2 of my rap career. I feel like I'm stepping into phase 2. Sneaky moolah, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm about to drop again, y'all. I'm about to drop again. I'm telling you, I just keep getting better. These songs fire as fuck. But I'm gonna drop 2K first, I'm not gonna lie. So be on the lookout, I'm gonna drop 2K. I just gotta, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple more stuff I gotta do. But I'm gonna drop that month. Probably, hopefully before April, because, you know what I'm saying? I ain't about to drag it out. Like, it's already done. So hopefully before April. Not hopefully, but before April, I'm gonna drop that month. And y'all gonna see 2K gonna be the first one that I drop. I was gonna drop that.
For the bad one.
I was going. It's back there. It's back there around the corner. You need to get out.
No, I think you're good.
But yeah,
Yeah, I gotta be up there.
but yeah, y'all. So new music coming soon. I got and when I drop, I'm about to just have the videos on deck, and I'm about to start marketing too. But yeah, it's all good though. Just stay on the lookout, man. Sneaky Moolah coming. Y'all know what the clothing store is. Link gonna be in the description. Beyond everyone above most.bigcartel.com. And I wanna donate.
More guacamole?
Huh?
It's more guacamole?
Yes, we had guacamole and sour cream. Yes, ma'am.
No chips?
Yes, please. That look like ice cream. I ain't gonna count. What the fuck is that? I can't tell if that's like a herb or something. Thank you. But yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. I ain't even got the food yet. That's why I'm going so crazy. I'm gonna chill though. I need to get the real food. Oh yeah.
Yours? Still hot chicken.
Jalisco cheesecake?
No. Que se llama mexicano.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yep. Still hot chicken.
Okay.
Here's a Jalisco cheesecake, man.
Okay.
For you.
Thank you, buddy.
Enjoy.
Oh yeah, this the food going crazy. Thank you, brother. Oh yeah, this the food, y'all. Going crazy.
Okay.
Thank you. Going crazy. Got the sour cream, the pico, everything looking luscious in that motherfucker. Got the beans on the side. Y'all probably can kind of see it. It got cheesesteak, peppers, onions, and then the beans. Can y'all see the beans? Yeah, that's the beans right there. The cheesesteak, pepper, onions, beans, all kind of shit, bro. Going crazy. I ain't about to let this video be that long either. Probably like a little 20-minute video and shit. But I just letting y'all know I'm about to drop. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe to my video. And merch, like I told you, merch finna drop, song finna drop. Y'all go stream Sneaky Moolah, man. Go stream Muchacha. Go stream Don't Wander Into the Wilderness. That was my last project. And we going up on everything. We going up on everything, period. Food finally here, yeah. We out.
Got that timing.
Shout out the Beam Squad. You already know, beyond everyone above most, keep it high value. We out.
Cold.
Y'all probably thought the video was over. I ain't eat yet. Remember, this is a mukbang.
You stupid. Yeah, again.
Golly, I'm trying to eat this the right way. I ain't gonna lie.
Now you about to taste it.
Whatever that sauce is.
Where's my fork? Talking about whatever that sauce is.
Whatever the sauce is, it's yummy.
What is that sauce?
Yum sauce, baby. Look, so y'all probably already know. I'm sitting there and telling the woman I want sour cream with on the side of my cheesesteak.
She thought you said you don't want it.
She told me the whole lineup: grilled cheese, sour cream, cheese, steak, pico, lettuce. I said, add the sour cream, bitch. Like, what the fuck is you talking about? There's not. Don't tell me what comes with it. Don't tell me what comes with it. I know what comes with it. I already looked at the menu.
That rice is pretty good. It's pretty flavorful. Want some of my rice?
Nah, your shit was nasty. I ain't gonna lie, your plate was hot as hell though.
Well, how long was it sitting here? Because it ain't even hot no more.
It was sitting here for like 2 minutes.
That shit not hot.
This shit busting with the sour cream. You ain't even eating your guacamole.
Oh, I know I'm about to. This rice good. I ain't gonna cut. Ooh, hey, that rice is good.
She be eating her vegetables.
She refilled my water.
Yeah, mine too. But the only thing they lacked at was giving me another lemon.
Yeah, like why? You don't use the same lemon. They add another one.
That's what I'm saying. They lacked.
Juice from the other lemon is gone.
They lacked. I ain't gonna lie. What you think that is?
Beans and cheese.
Bro, that's cheese. Who told them to put beans in my shit?
No, that's,
I mean,
no, that's nut.
What is that? Artificial nut?
Yeah, they just threw it right on top. You know?
Cause mine's is gonna.
sit.
I put my nut in your beans. You ain't gonna see. It's gonna be stirred up in there.
Yeah, you asked about the bar like you was going to order a drink.
You said what?
Yeah, it's about the bar like you was gonna order a drink.
I was about the bar, like where, like okay, that bar is.
You was like, oh, they got a bar, like it's not. It's like right there as soon as you walk in, and you look straight.
I was thinking about ordering a drink.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm not eating
That shit
those.
hot.
I'm not eating those. I don't like cooked tomatoes.
Let me have some of your rice.
I thought the tomatoes were gonna be on the side.
Have some of your rice.
You can have some. Just give me like 2 seconds.
I don't got time like
That's how I
that.
like my meat. I like it like chopped up real fine.
Damn, I'd have beans drop on my knife. I mean, it's only alright.
You can get some. Just hold on.
You really picking out the potatoes and that shit.
Get that potato. Them tomatoes. Cause I thought the tomatoes was gonna be on the side. I don't like cooked tomatoes. That's the texture is so gross.
You thought they were gonna be on the side?
Man, yeah, bro. Why the fuck would you?
Who eats who eats tomatoes on the
That's
side?
gonna be good. I know this gonna be good.
All right, rice time.
That shit is not good. Oh,
No.
you just drop rice all over me.
I'm fake for that.
Rice good, ain't it?
Oh God.
Right.
I ain't never liked that rice and beans. I ain't gonna lie, I just got used to it.
Cause you know, I feel like San Jose rice is not that they don't got a lot of flavor. All that flavor come in the.
I ain't gonna lie, one more bite.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm about to get another bite of rice, y'all. Look, let me not make a mess this time. She's tripping.
I appreciate it. See, these tomatoes not cooked.
True.
Like
Everything is lovely.
So, what did you say to the man?
What you mean?
Because when you asked about the bar, she pointed you to the man.
I ain't gonna lie, he ran up quick with a little short hair. I was gonna be like, I ain't gonna lie, I seen that and I'm like, she must don't speak English. That's the first. That's the first thing I said. I'm like that. She must not understand English like that.
Because why else? Oh, well, dang. I ain't said I wanted beans on my thing. Okay.
I ain't gonna lie.
Now I'm finna
I'm glad I'm eating on camera.
Why?
Cause I can. Damn. Cause I can.
Ooh, look, it's rice high enough.
I want to say what I want to say, but
Because you can what?
I can just make sure I'm always eating clean. Like it's nothing on my face, you know what I'm saying? Nothing on my shirt.
I wouldn't let you have that anyway. I would have had to.
Yeah. I wanted steak and I got steak. I feel accomplished. Now I'm finna go get shrimp after this.
Are you not satisfied?
Nah. I'm not gonna lie, this is hitting the spot though.
This is good. This beef's good.
Yeah. That's that good beef. I'm not gonna lie, this that have you in the bed like
Thanks. Rubbing your
stomach.
How you ass on the toilet too.
Hey, look, you be stretching a lot too.
That shit make you wanna go to sleep.
I'm not gonna lie. Y'all probably wondering. This nigga throat dry as fuck. That nigga ain't took a sip yet. I know what y'all thinking, cause y'all want to judge, and in the comments and shit, y'all gonna put down there. Damn, this nigga ain't drink a lick of water yet. I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing though. I don't want to be drinking all that shit, cause I'm trying to eat a lot.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be full of lemon water, bitch.
You already drank a whole glass.
I'm not gonna lie. When I come to restaurants and I order food, for the most part, I try to eat it all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I try to eat everything. I don't try to save nothing. I feel like that's lame.
What the hell are you looking for?
I know.
He came like they were going to be crouched down, hiding behind the thing.
Look. If he did that, I should have said, "Do you work here?"
He got me drunk. I was like, "Do you work here?"
I ain't gonna lie. I'm glad I didn't. Because sometimes I don't.
Yeah. Wait, what?
You because I could have said something and he could have made it serious.
Yeah,
like,
and then I
what
would
you
have to
said?
fight him.
You know what I'm saying? It's just like, you never know. Then look, he like 4 niggas deep and shit. You probably would have acted like,
yeah, I couldn't get all them.
And I ain't gonna lie. I can walk into a room and read it. That's why I'm glad I thought twice before I said it, because you know what I'm saying. You got you gotta read shit.
Yeah, he don't seem like the type though. He look like he got a problem.
I ain't gonna lie. That was weird.
Like, he looked right there. He went behind
you. You know what it is? When he walked in, it was probably like, damn, what do we do? Because remember how we did it?
But they were already walking off with the waitress.
Yeah,
so that's why I was
drunk.
like, well,
He probably drunk.
That's the energy he gave off. This is good. Okay. No, that shit, he ain't even talking, he just eating.
I ain't gonna lie, it's starting to hit, y'all.
Let me taste yours.
It's starting to hit, and what I mean by starting to hit,
starting to get
the
full.
itis.
Starting to get full, ain't it?
I ain't gonna lie. It just got to the part where you can feel the bottom of your stomach.
Starting to full up.
When you start feeling the bottom of your shit, that's when you know your shit really like half full. So it's time to wrap it up.
Wrap it up?
I ain't gonna lie, I think I can take a sip of water now. Now I'm not gonna lie to you. They brought us back chips, but we didn't get salsa.
Guac.
Let that marinate.
Guac. And I got a little bit of salsa, so stop lying to people.
Let that marinate. They brought back more chips, but they didn't bring back more salsa.
Who brought them chips?
The waitress.
I know she's seen the sauce, so it's empty.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna stop looking over there. Is she helping them? Excuse me, sir. Sir. Excuse me. I don't want to be like, hey, man.
Yeah.
Damn, I did a lot. I just did a lot.
You did? I ain't fucking with that shit no more. Matter of fact, oh, you got, let me get a little bit of that. I'm gonna put it on my stuff. Give me the sauce. I don't want to reach over here for you. Thank you.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit hot as fuck, bro. That's why I ain't saying nothing. That's why I ain't talking. God damn. I was trying to hold it in.
Nah, it's good with that. You mix it in there. You just can't go overboard. You be going overboard.
I bet y'all wondering how the fuck he ate his taco without touching it with his hands.
It's not a taco. Not that type of taco, bro.
First of all,
Taco be too low.
First of all, y'all niggas used to eating them little crunchy Dorito Loco motherfucking tacos. This is a soft clitoral taco.
Boy.
Now,
And you just gonna do it like that?
I said they didn't get it. You did. You look. Never mind. We're gonna save it. We're gonna save it for my
Later.
no, the patron page. Subscribe. I got it. We're gonna save it for the Patreon.
Let me see. You ain't got no damn.
What I do? Come on, let me see.
You got a lot of stuff.
I don't want to get flagged. Subscribe to the Patreon. I just started it yesterday.
Boy, you knew I was trying to look. I about to finish my food. I don't never finish my food.
I know you hungry. Hold on, move your cup. Okay. And we get some more sauce. I was about to say we get some more sauce. I'm not gonna lie. You think you can get more rice? Probably not.
They're gonna charge you.
No.
But she's gonna be like a side of rice. Ain't no cap.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I didn't know she was gonna give me all the. See, she had rice and beans with hers. I'm not about to eat all these damn beans by themselves. That's why.
Why you only come with rice?
That's why.
You got the, like a little thing like me. So she got the pico and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more bite of this and I'm probably gonna be done. I should have put the guacamole on there. Cause
Nice. Pork. You gotta eat with both. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like
you want more rice? It's only got a little bit left. You didn't have any more on it.
alright, gather it up and see how much I got.
Some of the beans.
I don't like that part right there. Don't put that in that part. Don't
Get out.
put that part in there.
Let me get you the beans and stuff.
That's not enough. I don't want that. That's not
That
enough.
was rude.
That's
That
not
is enough. I eat it. You
Put
don't
some more
want
beans
it?
on there.
Oh, you want more beans? Thought you wanted more rice.
Ooh, that was cheesy.
Yeah, that was cheesy.
She tried to put something else in. A little piece of
Is that
pepper.
pea? Bro, that's a piece of steak.
I'm not gonna.
I mean, that's a piece of beef.
I'm gonna get her to bring us more sauce in.
While you was tripping.
What I was tripping about?
That was a piece of beef. I didn't realize it until they stood up and went over there. That's probably their dad.
Yeah, it probably is their dad.
Because from the back, he looked youngest. I thought it was like two girls and a friend.
I'm not gonna lie. When he turned around and he was like older, I'm like, damn, they look old as. He look old as fuck. That's what
Not really, but like,
I mean, he look older than them.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I thought, and then I seen his face. I'm like, oh no, he must be. And then you know how you can just sense the dynamic between people when you see them together? Because I'm good at that.
Oh yeah.
Yep, I think I'm done. I don't like to stuff myself. I probably eat.
I'm not gonna lie to you. The dynamic between them, I think that was their dad.
Yeah, that's what I can tell, I guess,
because they were sitting together and he was sitting on the other side.
yeah, and then when they left, you could just tell. I don't know. Because he came in, like, stood in between them. No, he was behind them. That's how it be when we used to go out. Well, we don't do it.
I'm not gonna lie to you, they don't get that table clean like them other boys.
Bro.
Boy, they moved in quick. There was a nigga coming this way.
Right.
Boy, it was a nigga coming from this way. You ain't lying. There was a nigga coming from this way. One wiped the table.
That shit.
Right, bro. One wiped the table. One took the food. One grabbed the sauce. One put the new blanket on the table. One seated him. One seated him. I'm like, God damn, they knocked that shit out. Boy,
no,
it
you
was
know
like
how them people change. You know, like race cars and their little pit stops. How they change the tires. That's what.
Boy, they moving out. Boy, they was
that,
moving.
but the
Like NASCAR Mexicans, boy. They was getting that jump, boy. Which I fuck with it. I fuck with it. That's why I was like, damn, like you don't never see that. That shit be rare.
It's not racist. It's not racist because it's a good thing. But Mexican people, they're like really hard working.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to drink all my water too, cause
I'm not gonna lie, that water busting.
I'm getting it.
That water good as fuck. I'm about to tell them to get me a to-go cup with that water.
I ain't gonna lie, you made me mad the way you just ate it.
I don't want all that. I ain't want all that bread.
That ain't bread. That's tortilla.
I didn't want all that.
Excuse me. Every time I cut it, all my stuff busts out the shit. This was a good idea to get this. I did want burrito.
But yeah, I'm out, y'all. This is another 20-minute video.
Wait. I just want to
We out.
say
We out.
Oh, it was 20 minutes?
I feel like we about to go. We about to get the ticket.
I gotta edit that video from the crab place too.
I ain't gonna cap. She need to come over here and give me some more salsa though. 'Cause I at least want to get my mouth spicy again. I like that.
It's right in.
That ain't enough. I want some of this to mix with it.
Oh. I feel you. I wish they would charge for like a little cup like this of sour cream and stuff, because I feel like they be giving me too much.
I got the toothpicks in the car. I ain't tripping.
Oh, for real? Yeah, I'm gonna need one of them.
I got the floss sticks in the wheel. I got the floss sticks on the car, so you already know. You already know.
Wouldn't that be like, that would be racist if you came in here and was speaking Spanish?
Oh, you stupid. You said what?
If you came in.
If I came in?
Like, yeah, you was speaking Spanish to me, would that be racist?
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, because I'm pretty sure it's a lot of niggas who it's a lot of niggas who speak Spanish.
I could, because they would think I'm, you know.
Oh, yeah, true.
I think I'm
It wouldn't be racist, though. I'd actually be raw. If I just came out speaking Spanish. Fluent, like he
like if you had to, yeah, like if you fluently speaking, not like trying to be funny and like.
Yeah, like. We out though. I ain't gonna lie. I've been trying to get salsa for like 10 minutes.
I keep trying to make eye contact. She'll like look at me and then she'll keep going.
Right.
You know what though? It's like they probably don't really see us that good because we all the way over here.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Can we get more salsa? Salsa?
Dang, why he look aggravated?
That's just how he look.
They left.
I learned that people a lot of like you don't know the face you make sometimes. Not
Yeah.
you, but like people don't be knowing like
Me
sometimes
too.
they be like the face they make.
He probably, that's probably just his face.
I think that's just his face.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Cause he cool. I ain't sensed nothing crazy. Cause I ain't gonna lie, they always like to think when you a nigga, you trying to start, like, you trying to cause a problem.
You remember when I told you I was at the restaurant and a similar thing happened, like when you was at the crab place and you got something, but you didn't really think it was gonna look like that. And when she got it, he's like, I want something else.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I was. I went to San Jose, but not the one we usually go to. I went with my sister and my niece. And I ordered a quesadilla and it came and it looked like a taco. Like it didn't look appealing to me. So I told him, it's not what I thought it was gonna be. Can I get something else?
Yeah.
Like I think I got enchiladas instead. And after that, like her whole mood changed. Like
She was mad?
it was like she was being rude. Like I asked her and she left to go ask, I guess, the manager or whatever. She went to go ask him. Cause like when we first came in, she was refilling our drinks, as soon as they was like halfway full. And she was like, she kept coming to check on us. After I did that, bro, she ain't come to check on us until she came to give us the check. I swear to God.
Yeah.
She came to bring us our food, and then she came to give us the check. I was like, she didn't even have to cook it, so I don't know why she was the one mad to cook. If anybody should have been the one that was mad.
Right.
The phone ringing.
Yeah, I'm not taking none of this.
Huh?
I'm not taking nothing. Except for water.
I didn't want to take it with me because I put the guacamole inside, and I don't want to, avocado go bad quick.
God damn, that shit spicy, y'all.
You the one keep eating it. I'm putting some chips on my guac.
I'm fucking that water up. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know why I get. Oh, because I smoked.
Ooh.
I told you that shit spicy. Look. I was wondering. I'm like, damn. I'm fucking this food up. I'm like, damn. I'm straight gulping the water like.
Yeah, we smoked. And we're a little appetizer.
Right. But anyways,
Damn.
bro, I'm straight gulping the water. I'm straight gulping the water. But what I'm saying is, nigga, I forgot I smoked. That's why. Going crazy. Look.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I want you to try one.
Hold on, let me.
I want her to try one more too, because that shit's spicy as fuck. And I'm not gonna lie, it only be spicy for like 10 minutes. I mean, for like 5 minutes. 2 seconds. It only be spicy for like 2
Stop
seconds.
lying. It depends
really
on how
be.
much you put.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit gonna come out your nose.
Because I have put a lot.
I got you.
What? You got me what? What you gotta do?
I'm about to dab you up.
Nah, chill.
I ain't
You
gonna
already
lie.
put it in there, ain't it?
I think it's spicy because of that
Mix
shit.
it. Mix it around a little bit. I think that'll help.
Make it spicier?
I don't know.
Somebody got a house.
That's their fault. You can't carry no house on around.
We had somebody grill. No.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I want like a little shit. I don't want all that extra shit. Yeah.
You ready?
That shit hot, ain't it?
Look, you know that shit hot when you stare at
The
it.
last time you did that shit had my mouth burning.
You know that shit hot when you stare at that motherfucker.
Yeah, I can eat one more bite of that and I'll be done. Yeah, do me, but I don't want that much. Because my chips smaller. Tripping.
Let's get five.
Little bit. Because look how little my chip is. Oh,
That's not enough.
that's enough. One more drop. That'd be okay.
Hold on.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, you can't do that.
That's okay. Oh, I'm picking it back up anyways.
Yeah, it's gonna come off in the sun. I like cold salsa too. I don't like hot sauce, like warm salsa or room temperature salsa. They gotta be cold.
What the fuck eating room temperature salsa?
Damn, I'm full now. I ain't gonna lie. I can't even eat another chip, bro.
That shit hit your stomach and that hot
That
sauce.
shit hit the top. That shit hit the top. Like right before I was about to eat that chip, I was like, nah, that shit ain't gonna go. All right, now we ready for a meal.
I thought I was at the top.
Deuces.